Alright, so this is my setup that I use in the house when I want to do FT8. So usually I have the 1200 here, but I sold the 1200. So now I have the 450 in here on top of the old Kenwood. I would use the Kenwood, but I don't have a cable for it. And I don't know how easy it is to actually make a cable for this one. You could use the accessory on the back probably, but it's just easier to use this. So anyway, get this radio turned down 10 watts. It's nice because it has the tuner. It's not a great tuner, but it won't tune something that's out of resonance real bad. I got that there, the signal link, and I sit here so I can do FT8 while I'm keeping an eye on my 3D prints. I'm printing this Raspberry Pi case. So 40 meters, not much going on. Something went wrong here. Anyway, I'm gonna check some of the other bands, but anyways, that's my little simple FT8 setup.